Panalo. Anong lugar to?
Silang daw to eh.
Ah, silang pa to. Ayos oh. What's up guys? So kami oh, nag-short ride. Tagaytay ride.
I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe it. Oh, I just gotta know. Will you be here forever? And if I let you go.
Yan, stopover. Kain naman. Ayun, nandito na talaga sa Tagaytay. Ang lamig ng hangin. Time check. 11 o'clock in the evening. Yan. Rides lang pag may time.
My heart can only take so much.